Architecture for organizational learning. Learning organization creates architecture to enhance and maximize the potential organizational learning. For any organization, team are good sources of attaining targets effectively and efficiently. Team-based structures support continuous learning and pooling of experience and sharing knowledge. A team-based structure is necessary for any organization aiming to become a learning organization. Employee empowerment will make sure that employees take full responsibility for their action and they work in an open environment. This will also facilitate growth of employees and encourage innovation as well as instill the ability to think differently. Empowered employees will take more initiative and they will try to solve the problems where and when it will arise. This makes organizational climate more conducive to learning. Open information builds trust and confidence of employees in the management and reduce the employee management conflict. Decision making must be transparent. When information is available to everyone, it leads to pooling and sharing of experience and mutual learning. Even information considered absolute or reductionary may turn out to be of importance and may result into organizational growth. Team-based structure, empowered employees, and open information all exist and linked with each other. The team structure will facilitate sharing of common resources and objectives. Overall performance of the team or group will depend upon total performance of each individuals. The team will also make a coordinated effort to attain its targets or to perform effectively and efficiently. In an organization, employees empowered is possible only through sharing information with employees who have information and whose possesses the power to act and decide will differently try their level best to improve the performance of the organization. They will be open towards learning and information sharing. Over and above these elements, the most important ingredient for a learning organization is knowledge management. Being able to capitalize on the knowledge members of the organization. It will not be usually possible to write down or codify the knowledge acquired out of experience in formal documents. As employees do their job, they gain knowledge about the task they perform and learn the best way to get certain things done and solve specific problems. This knowledge management helps in sharing information among the employees of the organization. Certainly, the people performing a certain job are likely to learn the most about it. Knowledge management seeks to share this learning and knowledge throughout an organization. The model in figure depicts Peterson's five disciplines learning organization. It is an integrative architecture framework, learning uniting the concept of learning organization and knowledge management. There are two approaches to learning, middle up down and middle up down up. As per the middle up down approach, learning occurs at three levels: individuals level, personal mastery; group level, team learning; organizational level, building shared vision. Mental models underline all learning. They either impede it by going unnoticed or accelerate it by reflecting, surfacing, and examining. On the other, learning may change mental models. The fifth discipline, system thinking, integrates the other four by enhancing each of them. The management process of Nanak and Tuski's purpose middle down up approach in this framework. Middle managers play an important role by working as a bridge between the board vision of the top management and the concert relates of business that frontline employees confront. They figure out the strategic intentions of the top management and translate them into a conceptual framework. Comparison to their subordinate by signaling their own previous assumption and way of the thinking and acting leads main fact exposed values. This conscious and explicitly articulated value remain as a questions, debate and challenges until the team has a shared perception of the success. Based on these values, the value goes through a progress of cognitive transformation into a belief and ultimately an assumption. This leadership process incorporates the image and maps of the conceptual framework into organizational theory in use and interlines explicit knowledge into tacit knowledge. When people share common mental models concurrent with the shared vision, they become empowered and will know how to operate in various business settings as a two employer people in the countries. Long as well, overall business reality remain invariant on the country conducting Shared vision emerges from the personal vision of individuals in the management process, and the tacit knowledge is extremely into explicit knowledge. On the strategic level, business activities is mentioned BAM through the management process, exposing organizational theory in use or actual behavior in the form of real time management. Dashboard facilitating strategic decision making, the shared vision of the organizational built in streaming process of external adaptation and internal integrations. The output of this process is the new and revised models describing the business process on the highest level. It also employs stimulation capabilities as the mean of optimize the process. The tactical level is about coordination and associated with the team learning. Team learning helps to translate the strategic intent of the top management to unique end-to-end core business process is the prevalent means to describe reliably strategic collaborative process, and new concept emerge to address dynamic collaborations. This is where the team learning occurs. The coordination of the collaborative effort requires a significant amount of dialogue between the process participants. Team learning also has an effect on tacit knowledge within the organization through the leadership process. The operational level embraces the operations and information model of the organization in the form of services. The services are context independent, IDM potent, faculty optimized to perform their predefined functions. Typically, orchestration describe the sequence and conditions in which the service assesses underlying resource, blind them to its execution context. This level correspondent to personal mastery. The purpose of orchestrations is to optimize resource utilization and streamline service efficiency against some performance measure defined by the management process. The model reflects the reality as prescribed by the organization. It is the vast repository of source of truth dispersed in enterprises, information system and database, the knowledge of the organization. The